Hey guys, today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I never done these before. This is actually the first time I would do one. I have never done an unboxing video before, and this is gonna be my first time doing one. Today it will be Chris Brown's album called X. This is the album that will actually help you go through a lot of situations in life. Just talking about love and just talking about situations that is very out of your control. Let's get into it, guys. I'll definitely do a review of this album soon. New music releasing this past week. Tinashe just released her song called Nasty. I didn't do a review on that song yet. I'm not sure I will. After hearing the song, it's not my favorite by Tinashe, but I do like it. It kind of reminds me of Needs Part 2 almost. I've heard Tinashe put out other songs before, and she can really do much better than this in my opinion. Tinashe is going to have BB Angel Part 2, Quantum Baby. This is basically a Part 2 from her previous album, which is BB Angel, which I did do a review on. I thought that album was pretty solid, but I feel like it was just very short. In the next album, I hope that we get more songs, and it's much more longer than the previous album. I could be wrong. Unfortunately, with our attention span, it takes nothing for people to just get bored quickly. If you guys want to see more videos, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment. Take care, guys.